Manny, Kongkong, happy wedding anniversary. I wish you have many more blissful, helpful married life like this. And to you, Manny, advance happy 50th birthday. Merry Christmas to all of you. I miss you all and I love you. God bless.
Hello Brad, Tol, Big Brother, Idol, Timani. Kamusta na kayo lahat dyan? Ati Kongkong, Carlo, at sa may aking pinakamamahal na inaanak, Katkat. At sa pinakamakulit kung sabihin na apo ni Mamita na si Monica na super kulit daw talaga. Hindi namin alam kung kailan ka mapupunta rito at miss na miss ka na namin. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako sinay mag-English, pa-translate mo na lang bukas sa mga kapatid mo. Kimani, Ate Kongkong, happy anniversary. Advance happy birthday Kimani. And Merry Christmas. Happy New Year sa inyo lahat dyan. God bless.
Hello to everybody. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Kuya Manny, Ate Kongkong, happy wedding anniversary. God bless. And advance happy birthday to you, Dikong, and Merry Christmas to all of you there. I love you and we miss you all.